Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yousuf from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Actually, I am here in PURNIMA Automotive. I am an automobile engineer here in our capital, Dhaka. I have 6 year working experience on automobile. Um, Many workshop I have one more than or 2 or 3 workshop I have visited, and I have job here. I have experience of on engine, transmission, and mechanical. But I am confused in ECM repairing and programming and wiring troubleshooting. So I have a trust to take training. I have a trust for knowledge how to gather ECM repairing training and wiring troubleshooting. And so I search Google, and here many training center name I have seen. What I am exactly what training center, which training center I would choose for me. I am thinking about. Then I talk with my 2 senior brothers, and they also taken training from PURNIMA, and I contact with PURNIMA and collect course plan. Then I have taken decision to visit India for training from PURNIMA Automated Training Center. Also, then I decided to take a ticket, and then I come India and visit PURNIMA. Alhamdulillah, PURNIMA I have reached and taken training from here. Here excellent training topics, and practically I am very satisfied. Here I learned how to repair ECM controller and wiring troubleshooting on table, on car. I have trained up from this. They are cooperative, coordinated, and friendly. And some my confession level questionnaire they could provide, and they solve me. Now I suggest, if any student, automobile student, want to take ECM training or programming level, if he want to fill up his gap, first things I suggest, if anybody want to be an expert engineer on automobile troubleshooting or ECM repairing, he can get high salary, and he can get first priority. So he should take decision for training. And I think PURNIMA is good, excellent. I have taken training from this. If anybody can come, mostly welcome. And here I have learned ECM repairing, wiring troubleshooting, programming level, immobilizer. Everything is good. If anybody want to come, mostly welcome. I am very satisfied their behavior and coordination, and they are so expert level and experience, 20 years experience there. They have also workshop and training center. Firstly, they give theory, then give chance to practice on table, then go to the workshop and provide practical information and practical, and they help to identify the exact wiring troubleshooting problem. So I am very happy. I come here and take training from this PURNIMA. If anyone want to be an expert automobile engineer, nobody can deny without ECM programming. Nobody can deny ECM programming, wiring, troubleshooting. In future car, available electric car, hybrid car. We have to train up and we have to learn knowledge about ECM programming, ECM repairing, troubleshooting. And if you take training from if you take training about wiring, troubleshooting, ECM repair, and this topic, you can do you can fix any problem, and you can you would be able to troubleshoot electric car, hybrid car. So if you want to be a automotive electrical based engineer, you can come, mostly welcome. Assalamu alaikum.